Mailjet SMTP extension tutorial. So today we're going to show you how to plug in your SMTP credentials. To get started, you want to go ahead and add in your Likeable Forms license key and also your Mailjet secret key. So once you've added both of these, go ahead and hit verify license key. After your license key has been validated, we can go ahead and move on into our extension settings. So the first step is adding our SMTP server. This is going to be the same for anyone using Mailjet. It's going to be in-v3.mailjet.com. The next step is adding our API key. Now the API key is specific to you, and this is going to be your public API key. So please don't confuse your API key with your secret key. The next step is adding our from name. So typically it's recommended just to go ahead and enter your company name, although this is completely on a case-by-case basis, so please enter whatever is most appropriate for your website. The last two steps are configuring our port number and protocol. So at the time of filming this, Mailjet either recommends port 587 or port 225. So in general, it's recommended to use port 587, but if you notice any deliverability issues, you can always tinker around with these options here. And the final step is adding our protocol. So anytime we use port 587, we also want to use TLS. The last step is saving our SMTP settings. So traditionally with most of our extensions, you can just go ahead and hit the save button in the form editor. But instead of having to re-enter your credentials every time for every form that you build, when you just click Save SMTP Settings, this will actually save it for all of your forms. There you have it.